I just wanted to share with you this amazing mirror that's perfect for bathrooms and powder rooms. Super easy to install. This series features an LED light source designed that endows the product with the power of linear beauty and a refined silhouette. This series has been developed in 17 sizes to meet the needs of most usage environments. It has 3 lighting methods: 1 backlight, 2 front light, 3 simultaneous backlight and front light. Best of all is its adjustable color temperature from 3000 to 6000 K, defogging function, and brightness adjustment.